Most investors lose money chasing hot stocks. Smart investors do the opposite. They look for undervalued stocks that the market is ignoring. Let me show you how this works in the Philippine stock market. An undervalued stock is not a cheap stock. It's a stock whose price does not yet reflect the company's true business value. That usually happens for three reasons. The company is boring, the company is temporarily out of favor, or the company is misunderstood. This is where opportunities come from. Opportunities come. So how do you actually spot undervalued stocks? First, look at earnings. If a company is consistently profitable, growing its earnings, but its stock price is flat or down, that's a signal. The business is doing fine. The market just isn't paying attention. Second, look at valuation. Compare the stock's price to its earnings and assets. If it's cheaper than similar companies in the same industry, you should ask why. Sometimes there's a real risk, and sometimes it's simply ignored. Third, look at dividends. Many undervalued stocks quietly pay solid dividends. While everyone else is waiting for price appreciation, long-term investors are already getting paid. Now, let me give you examples. So, some Philippine stocks look boring. Utilities, infrastructure, banks, consumer staples, these aren't flashy, but they generate steady cash, survive market cycles, and often trade below their long-term value. This is where patient investors win. The key thing to remember is this: undervalued stocks don't move fast. They test your patience, they don't make headlines, they don't trend on social media. But when the market finally realizes their value, the move can be powerful. This is not about guessing bottoms. This is not about quick profits. This is about buying strong businesses at reasonable prices and letting time work for you. If you're a beginner, this mindset alone already puts you ahead of most investors.